Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming accounts and connectivity. Sign into the same Google account on your Google TV and on your phone because Assistant syncs permissions and preferences. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are active so the devices can discover each other, using 4 or 5 GHz improves stability. Then open Settings, choose Accounts, select Google, and follow the link devices prompts to authorize the TV. This step gives Assistant permission to control apps and devices, which is why it's required now. Next, enable Assistant and the microphone so voice commands actually work. Go to Settings, System, Voice, then turn on Google Assistant. Grant microphone access when prompted, because without it you can't talk to the TV. Make sure to set up voice match if you want personalized results, and assign default media apps for playback. This tells Assistant which app to open for music or video. Also link smart home devices now so Assistant can control lights and thermostats. These choices determine how Assistant finish by testing and customizing. Say "Hey Google" or press the remote mic and run 3 simple commands like play a show, dim lights, and set a timer to confirm everything works. If responses feel off, adjust sensitivity, language, or voice match in settings because that fine-tunes recognition. And if things break, reboot the TV, relink your Google account, and verify microphone permissions. This usually fixes the issue. If a problem persists, make a note of error messages before seeking further help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.